Hell yeah.
Say hi.
Hey.
God damn it. That shit's
Zach, you're in the vlog.
I'm what?
Another vlog.
Hell yeah. Check out Will Zip's channel. I just dropped a new song with Easy. Oh my god.
He uses it for promotion.
Self-promo, self-promo.
You're in the vlog. Yo, check this out.
Marge!
Okay. Butter too.
No, I'm recording the entire thing. Yeah!
Welcome to Bree's channel. Today she's doing
Hi,
makeup.
my name's Bree. Thanks for joining us. Today we're going to talk about this product by Profusion. Ooh, can't wait to try this color out. I feel like I should get this for my sister.
Chances is mine.
Oh wait, there's a bottle on the back.
That's actually really cute.
Oh no, now what do I do? Do I put the face mask, the face wipes
Yeah,
back?
put that back and
get
throw
the
that
cup.
in. Master Christmas shoppers.
Honestly, I might just get them both because these are only 2 and this is 4, so I'm just gonna get them both.
Do it. Just throw it in.
Yay!
Satisfied.
My lovely garage.
Bree and I just went outside into the darkness and took photos.
Hi,
like
MTV. Welcome to
middle
my crib.
schoolers.
This is my dog, Peanut.
Hey, Peanut.
Peanut.
Oh my gosh, you're not barking.
Look, it's
Good
Peanut.
job.
He's like, get me out of here.
Yeah.
Oh.
This is Raina.
This is me.
This is Jenna.
And this is my basement. Not much to show.
Not
Party basement. Let me
Party
take you up
basement.
here.
Is there anything
Fits.
Raina's gonna get famous.
Okay. And this is my kitchen. This is my fridge.
Wow.
And this is my favorite part about the kitchen.
My favorite part's the fridge.
Of course. Okay, and this is my kitchen table.
Wow.
It's great.
All right. Oh shoot. This is my living room. It's really messy right now. We just moved in.
I know it hasn't changed at all.
Guest bedroom. Guest bedroom. Really ugly. Other bedroom. And let me take you to the master. This is my bedroom.
And this is all to show that Raina has her life together a lot more than mine.
It's gonna get steamy.
Oh, he's got heater. Oh, that's why they were putting heater.
Ew, I look so like
Not well.
Hey guys, it's Sydney. So yeah, welcome back to another vlog on my channel. I didn't really make an intro. I just kind of jumped right into it with this vlog. But I wanted to just say a little something. So yeah, I am home for the holidays. And I just wanted to make this home vlog just more about like my friends and everything, just for memories for me to look back on. So it's just gonna be kind of random, kind of scattered, just little clips here and there of me with my friends and my family. Yeah, it's not gonna be as much of me like recording my every single day of me being home, but just like bits and pieces here and there. So I hope you guys like it. Gives you a little peek into my life at home and my friends and everything. So yeah, it is, what day is it today? It's Wednesday, the week before Christmas. I can't remember the actual number. like the number of the day, you know? But yeah, and today I'm just going to Starbucks right behind me, you can kind of see, and I need to get some work done. I need to edit some videos that I pre-filmed for Vlogmas and stuff that I just can't focus on at home. So that's what I'm doing today. But yeah, I hope you guys like this video. Please like and subscribe, you know, the whole dealio. But yeah, we'll just keep on going with the vlog, and if I do talk here and there, then I talk here and there. Yeah. Just chilling at home. There's our tree. Watching some HGTV. What else is new? Scooty! Scooter. Hi, Papa. Hi. Hey, baby. This is Scooter. One of my dogs. He's so cute. Yeah. Here's my other psycho dogs. Hey, babies. This is Ho. Hey, she's a lover. She just wants to sit in your lap and love you. And this is Lucky. They're brother and sister. Oh, getting all up in my grill. No, get down. Get down. Yeah, but they're psychos and they'll knock down the tree with their tails. So we keep them in the kitchen so they don't hurt anything. And getting all up in my face. Yeah, I love you. I love you guys. I love you guys. Cheers. So we out here at Kona Grill. This is Jess. She likes bread, long walks in Texas, and cowboys. Those are her interests. Her Instagram is at, isn't it like JJ Jessica?
I have no idea.
You know, links down below. Link down below.
I just got that little baby fist. Hello, Vlogmas. Helen is trashed ready. Helen's trashed. Yo, for her birthday, she came in here and threw up in the bathroom. Apparently. Rumor has it. Rumor has it. Snapchat has it. But it's fine. It's fine. Patiently waiting for Sydney's picture so I can eat the fuck out of it.
It's snowing. Here in my vlog again.
Oh, hey, what's up? You know, we here on the first day of snow, first day of winter. I'm
First
ready.
day of snow.
You know, we're about to head in.
Can't even see anything. At brunch with Jack.
Eat a burrito.
Eat a burrito. It's Christmas Eve and it's snowing. Some would consider this a Christmas miracle. I would consider this a casual Sunday. I don't know what I'm saying right now. I'm really sorry. Wow.
Syrup and coffee? Why didn't I think of that? Can I try some? Like a broken record, but we are buddies. You're my best friend. That's it. You're my best friend. You know, buddy. You're my best friend.
Merry Christmas. I just woke up. It's like 9 something, and I'm gonna go wake up everyone else if they're not up yet, because it's time to open presents, get ready, and go to church. Yay, Christmas. Sleepy. Everyone is still asleep, so I'm gonna wake them up.
Chibbles. It's Christmas. Wake up, wake up. Say hi to the vlog.
Stop it. No.
Come on, Scooty wants you to wake up. Oh, you're so cute.
And hers is lighter, so you can wear more. Let's Scooty go to town on that
Stockings.
bone. Lucky's gonna have that bone gone in about an hour, about a minute.
Scooter likes his
Already?
Christmas gift.
Oh yeah, he does.
It's already down here.
Between dog hair and long blonde hairs.
Hi, Hopi. Hi. Go eat your bone.
Okay. Dad, I want you to open your present.
All right.
No, open this one first.
Well, you don't have What are you laughing for? What are you laughing? Huge. What's a hoodie?
That's cool.
Sweatshirt, Dad.
Ooh, go Cubs!
Cubby.
We have a Cubby game in February.
Murray Crossler.
How's it looking?
Good.
It's starting to soften up.
Breakfast. Yeah. I do not miss this part of living in Illinois. I just flipped.
I could actually use this too.
Power tools.
I could really use this.
Yeah.
Yeah.
What
Router.
got there? More power.
What is it?
What's it do? What's it came from Steve? Oh,
Yeah.
If anyone needs a golf
Is
cooler.
that like a screwdriver? Is that like a screwdriver? I could use one.
No! Come on! I just got it! Oh!
No, you don't.
It always happens to you.
Oh! Come on!
Steven, you need a cooler. Take the cooler.
I don't want the cooler.
You just like to pick on me. Open all the presents.
I hate this game.
Yeah, it's real.
What is?
It's gotta be bent like you're catching the big one.
Oh my god! Usually
Go.
these are like in the... Okay.
Go.
Oh, Steven's gonna down it.
I am not downing this. Well, you gotta chug, babe. Chug. You a princess.
We can save this photo and then you
Quick manicure.
where do you want it?
Be careful.
Oh, maybe I am a princess.
Are you videoing?
Yeah.
I'll be shunning to
My butt just.
locking the door and
We
giving
don't
away
care.
the key.
Wendy, get down on the knee.
You got it!
Yeah.
Get on there!
Down the hatch. Wow. You're pretty fast.
That's your uncle!
Yeah.
Good job, Uncle Scott!
Dad just got ice.
Oh. Ready, set, go.
Drink it! Drink it! Go!
Wow.
It's like chugging a beer.
I thought I was never out.
Kindly, you're never out. It's down to who has the last.
Hey, Scotty just left. Did you want to go say bye?
Scotty?
Yeah, you just left.
I said goodbye to him early.
Left, you're still alive.
No, you need two.
Pick photos on yours. Try it. No, on Facebook. Oops. You just pick
Shelby go in the truck or the car? Jeep.
and see what happens. Done. Yeah, it doesn't make the video. Yeah, it doesn't make the video. I don't know.
You guys are zoned in over there.
I see you.
Hey guys, so I feel like I have not sat down and updated in a hot minute. It is the day after Christmas, so the 26th. So yeah, last night for Christmas, we all just went over to my aunt's house, and we were with my aunt, my cousins, uncles, the whole gang. Yeah, and so it's always fun, but this is like our last Christmas in Illinois probably, which is really sad, and that's kind of why I wanted to like document it. I mean, I'll still be coming back to visit all the time. But yeah, so I hope you guys had like an awesome Christmas. I mean, my Christmas was pretty good, can't complain. I got my Timberland boots just how I wanted, and I got those makeup items that I wanted, the Tarte blush palette and Fenty Beauty, like the lip gloss. So I am very happy. I'm a happy girl. Yeah, so those were like the main things I got for Christmas, and I can't complain. I'm happy. Hey guys, it is Wednesday, the day before I leave, the 27th. Yep, that's the day today. And I just got my teeth cleaned at the dentist, and I'm making a few returns today. I hope everyone had an amazing Christmas. I hope you all got what you wanted. I hope you saw friends and family that you haven't seen in a long time, and I hope everything was amazing. God bless, bless up. Happy Hanukkah, happy Kwanzaa. Love the holiday season, yes. Next stop on the returns. It's, I think it's -1 outside today. I feel my nose hairs freezing in my face. It's just not fun. And I'm ready to head back to Arizona, 'cause I'm cold. I really thought it was gonna be a lot more crowded today for making returns, but I just did that in like 10 minutes. Both stores, 10 minutes. I think I'm like a record holder. So it is my last day back home. My flight leaves tonight at around 7 o'clock. It's almost, I think it's almost noon right now. But yeah, so today I am going to grab a bite to eat with my friend Bree, who you guys saw earlier in the vlog. And then I'll just be kind of like getting ready to go. So that's what's gonna be left of the vlog. Yeah, so I mean, bittersweet. It's always sad to be leaving home, but like I'm ready to be in my own space, my own apartment, you know. I'm ready to be back in Arizona. But I wish I could just take all my friends and family and just like plop them in Arizona with me.
Last day of the vlog. Do you have anything to say?
Sydney wanted to come to Chili's because she said that in Arizona nobody goes to Chili's because it's a chain.
There's just better places to eat, but I mean it's still dang.
It's still dang.
Welcome to Chili's.
Welcome to Chili's.
It's snowing.
Yay!